My back garden is an example of a small-scale ecosystem, and today I would like to show you the way in which it interacts with its climate and its species it provides habitat to. The soil is an essential part of any well-functioning ecosystem, as it provides both food and habitation for primary consumers and their producers, and these need the soil to survive. The soil in my back garden has a high density of rocks, stones and pebbles. This can make it difficult for some plants to use it as a habitat. During particularly hot summer months, some plants may lack the water needed to survive. This is where the watering can supplement that additional water need. The backyard also has a lot of small species, more herbivores, primary consumers such as worms, slugs and snails. When primary consumers get out of hand, sometimes the plants can be damaged. This was a strawberry bush affected. You can see this problem appears quite a lot, and this is again another plant in the garden that has been affected by primary consumer consumption. Controlling primary consumers such as snails like this can sometimes be hard work, especially in a small area where secondary consumers may not be available. Many plants in the garden flourish perfectly fine without much human intervention, so the balance in this ecosystem is actually quite fine. Yeah, and as you can see here, this plant has sustained very little damage due to the primary consumers and is perfectly fine, so this really is an isolated issue. It's also important that the decomposers in an ecosystem aren't being threatened, so this compost bin helps provide both a habitat and a healthy food source for them. This ecosystem is quite simple in terms of food chains, with many producers but very few secondary or tertiary consumers. Primary consumers tend to be the biggest problem. That doesn't mean that we don't have apex predators, however, and this dog is known for its ability to chase away birds, which is why we have a lack of secondary consumers.